Jetaviva is honored to bring to market this amazing Citation Mustang. To say this one is loaded is an understatement. It is enrolled in Powered Vantage Plus and Pro parts. It is equipped with Garmin Synthetic Vision, XM Weather and Radio, Jeppesen Chart View, and an ADF receiver. Feel free to contact us for more information on this fantastic Mustang. We love talking about them almost as much as we do flying them. Thank you for joining us on this tour, and welcome aboard.